Okay, so I drilled the holes here. It's a 14mm drill bit, and I've got my epoxy glue, and I fill it up about 2/3. Always quite a bit of wastage. And then screw in my screw bolt. Screw it in. If you push it down, it creates air pockets, which obviously aren't good. So screw it down slowly. These are 130mm bolts. These are 130mm bolts, so they go down, leaving about 40–50mm out of the top, and then clean away the excess. Just wipe it on there. You don't want to get this stuff on the screw thread, otherwise you won't get the bolt on because it is so strong. There we go. And then leave that to dry for a little while, and that you will never get that out again. I tried with concrete bolts, and I just couldn't get them to take. And I read about the anchor bolts that they blow out the side of your, they can actually snap your block. So I went with this method, and it worked really well.